There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name-o. I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name-o. N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name-o. G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name-o. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name-o. And Bingo was his name-o. Morning time in class. This is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a little bit of math with numbers, and we're gonna talk a little bit about the senses again. Remember? Los cinco sentidos, the five senses. Our sight, our sense of smell, hear, touch, taste. Have you ever tasted a lemon? ¿Alguna vez han probado un limón? It's sour. You eat it, it's like, you make a funny face. What sense are we using when we taste this? This one? I see the lemon, it's yellow, but when I taste it, we use our sense of taste, our tongue. How about this? Oh, let me try again. Whoa. Did you hear that? You used your sense of hearing. How about this one? Oh, it's a shoe. I see a shoe. That's one sense. How about, oh, I smell the shoe and it's stinky. It's my son's shoe. I use my sense of smell. And you know what? These little doggies, estos perritos, son suaves. These are soft. They're not hard. This is soft. I use my sense of touch. I use my fingers. Using your senses is how we get to know things, how we learn about things around us. Okay, so numbers. This is what you're gonna need for this activity. Esto van a necesitar. Write down numbers 1 through 12. Escriban número 1 a 12 on paper. And I made a little paper like this. There's 10 squares. Hay 10 cuadrados. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares, okay? And then 2 squares up here. And this means that you add them. I'm gonna add whatever number is gonna be in this square with this square. I'll show you. Les voy a mostrar. Van a sumar lo que está en este cuadrado con lo que está en este cuadrado. So, if you don't have 2 dice, si no tienen estos dados, what you can do is write number on a piece of paper, write number 1 through 6 2 times. Escriban 1 a 6 dos veces. See, so I have 1 through 6 in this pile, and I have 1 through 6 in this pile. And you can put it in a bag. Pueden poner en la bolsa, okay? If you don't have this, you can do this. Si no tienen 2 de estos, pueden hacer esto. 1 a 6, 1 a 6 papelitos. Okay, so also you're gonna need buttons or beans. Let me get my finger out of the way so you can see. Si no tienen botones, pueden usar frijoles, you can use coins. So I'm gonna roll the die. Ooh, and I have number 4, so I'm gonna put 4 right there. And, ooh, another 4. See that? So I'm gonna grab some buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, because that first die was number 4. So here are my 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And we're gonna add 4 more. Vamos a añadir 4 más. So I get 4 more buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 4 plus 4. How much is 4 plus 4? ¿Cuánto es 4 más 4? Well, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That equals 8. So then you come over here. Remember I told you I have number 1 through 12. Tengo número 1 a 12. And I'm going to look for the number 8. Here it is. And we're gonna put that 8 right there because there are 8 buttons. Let's try that one more time. Let's clear this out. Sweet. All right, we're gonna roll 1 die. Oh, 6. That's a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's roll the die again. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is that total? 6 and 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh gosh, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. I'm gonna come over here. Let's see. I'm not sure what 10 looks like, so we're gonna count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This must be the number 10, and it is. So at home, you can try doing a little math. This is called adding. Pueden tratar de hacer esto en sus casas. Eso se llama sumar. You add one number and another number, and you get a new number. Okay, so try that at home, and you can always reach out to me, text me, call me if you need more directions, si necesitan ayuda con cualquier cosa. And I hope you have a great weekend. Also, I wanted to remind you to practice writing your name. Practiquen escribiendo su nombre, but not just your first name. Practice writing your last name too, okay? So if I was gonna practice writing my full name, yo voy a practicar escribiendo mi nombre completo, I would write down Doris Simpson. See, that's my first name, mi primer nombre, and my last name, mi apellido. Can you practice writing your first name and your last name? Okay. All right, my friends, I will see you soon. Have a great day. I miss you every day.